Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Alexander, originally born in England. I would just like to share my experience of this wonderful place. But first, I'll tell you a bit of a history about myself. I've been suffering from hair loss for many years. In 2010, there was a famous clinic in Harley Street called the Harley Street Hair Centre. Wayne Rooney, a famous footballer, he went and he done his hair over there. And there was a very big hype. I immediately went there. I had my first hair transplant of 2,300 grafts in 2011. It was okay. After 6 months, they pushed me again to do another one. So I done another one in 2012. I was not advised no medication, no pills, and the hair was gradually starting to fall down. Bit by bit. I got very frustrated, and after 4 years I had another one done by them. They claimed to have the best doctors in the world, but the only mistake I made that I didn't realize that they only had technicians. So of course after the third time it failed again. I was heartbroken at the time. In 2018 I went to a very famous doctor in Los Angeles who implanted me 5,600 grafts over a period of 3 days, starting from 9 o'clock in the morning till 8 o'clock at night. Was a lot of pain. Unfortunately, over-harvested my back. The graft, instead of coming out, they were all lost one by one. Also a very traumatizing experience, because in this life you follow the social media and you follow the world, and there's a lot of hype, and it's unfortunately a whole bunch of lies. 3 years ago I had PRP done by a doctor in Dubai, and he told me the only best surgeon doctor to come is Dr. Satya Saraswat. I'm just here now. I've got to say, I've had about nearly 2,000 grafts done. No pain whatsoever. I am very pleased. The service was absolutely immaculate. I'm going to recommend this Dr. Satya and his wife and the whole team here to the whole world. And I think if anyone wants a hair transplant, they shouldn't waste their time anywhere in the world. This is the place to come. I'll give you another update in like 3-4 months time as the hair starts to grow. I will give like every 3 months. I will share, and I hope this is the last time, and God bless you all.